Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Mee Ka Tee. Okay, so let me show you my ingredient. I have roast peanut, and this is rice curry paste, and this is crispy shallot that I fry. I have a clip for that also on my other video. This is let me see what it called. This one right here is soybean paste. Okay, this one. And then I have the oil. You can use the vegetable oil or this oil that I left over from, like I make the cherry the other day. And this is the shrimp paste, fish sauce, sugar. This is chicken broth or chicken flavor, salt. And then come over here. I use a ground pork. I use about 8 pounds, and I use the pork rib, 2 pounds. And then I have egg here, about 12, okay? And this is my shrimp paste. This is the one that I showed you, soybean paste and fish sauce, okay? This one is coconut milk. I'm sorry, coconut milk right here. Okay, I'm gonna use half can of my coconut milk as always. And then I'm gonna go ahead use the my chili oil, or you can use the vegetable oil if you don't have the chili oil. The reason I use this one is give more color, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my rice curry paste in. And on this one, you wanna go ahead, start with the medium heat, okay? Make it slow cook until all the it's become like creamy look, okay? Okay, what I do here, I use a medium heat, okay? And I keep like stir like this all the time. Make sure it's the bottom of the pot is not burned, okay? So until it's become like oily and creamy. Okay, see how it's beautiful? It's kind of like oily and creamy. It looks very good and it smells so good right now, guys. What I try to say, every time you cook the Mee Ka Tee kapun, you wanna make sure it look like this, okay? So the color turn out nicer. แบบว่าเขาขวดหน้าให้มันได้นะคันเขาสิเฮ็ดน้ำkapunเนาะเพราะว่าคันเจ้าขวดหน้าบ่ได้นะkapunหรือว่ามีกะทิเจ้าออกมาสีจะบ่งามโอเคตัวนี้เป็นส่วนที่สำคัญที่สุดที่เขาเฮ็ดมีกะทิหรือว่าน้ำkapunเขาต้องขวดหน้าอันนั้นให้มันขึ้นให้มันได้โอเค so this is the most important part to make a kapun or Mee Ka Tee. So you have to do this real good, okay? Like become a creamy and beautiful color, so make your soup beautiful. And what I do here, I save half of my chili for the end. I always do that every video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my pork rib in. Put the salt in, half of it first. Speed up my heat to high heat, okay? okay And when you feel like it's too hot, you can go ahead use the coconut milk to cool down a little bit, so that way you don't burn the bottom. Okay. And then it's when you put the coconut milk on, it's good for you to kind of like separate the ground pork too, so they don't stick together. See how it works? I kind of separate the meat. You know, you don't have to put the whole meat at the same time. Just slowly put it in, okay? That way they cook evenly. Now I continue put my meat in. A little bit of coconut milk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all my salt in. The chicken broth or chicken flavor. I can put all my meat in. See, whenever I do Mee Ka Tee, you know how like you, of course you have to add some water in to the. Okay guys, every time I cook the raw meat like this, I always have the hot boiled water on the side in case I need to add, so that way they don't burn the bottom. I go ahead and add a little bit. Can you see how like they cook the meat on top like that? So get your hot water ready, okay? That way, as soon as you put it in, is the heat is start right here, right away. You don't want to put no cold water. Okay, see how like here, and then stir it, make sure it's the ground pork is cooked, and keep add some water so the bottom not burn. So now always have like the other part here, so I can add some transfer my food to the other pot, okay, the bigger part. Yeah, this one water hot too. Okay, see? Now I'm gonna transfer this over here And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead let it cook until the pork rib and the meat is very nice and tender. And I'm gonna go ahead add the last of the water. So okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead add some coconut milk later on. But meanwhile, we wanna meet the tender first, okay? And then we mix the other stuff in. Okay, got my egg ready. Then I'm gonna go ahead add coconut milk in. Okay. I put add this to coconut milk after all my meat and my pork rib is very tender already. Okay, see how it's nice and tender there? It means my Mee Ka Tee is almost ready. So what I do, I'll go ahead add the peanut in. That looks so rich and creamy. Looks so good. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and drop my egg in. So I just have to wait few minutes, okay, until my egg is like cooked. All the egg, now see all the egg is cooked already. It's so beautiful. When the egg arrive to the top, it means they already cooked. The color is look good already, right? Look beautiful, everything. But you remember how I saved half of it? That I don't even use it yet. But look at that, it's red already. Now we want to add more color. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one. To me, it's just like magic touch. You know what I mean? At the end. Okay, you're gonna see it's more like red, more color, more creamy. After I put this in. And I lower it like my heat down already to the low, okay? I put on low right now. Because if you put on hot, it's gonna be, bubble big time because the egg is in there. So soon as you drop the egg, put low heat, okay? And then add the topping, the one that I saved. And now I go ahead and add my shallot, to get the smell and flavor. See? Put them all in there. And look how beautiful color it is. So pretty. Okay. And I like to make mine very thick. And when I serve, I don't put like a lot in my bowl, okay? Just put a little bit. But this is optional. Some people like kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, and galanka, but I am not gonna use on my recipe, okay? Because I like to Mee Ka Tee. I want a taste of coconut and the creamy, so I don't want the herb, okay? So, but if you want to, you may add on, and it's really good too, okay? All right, this is finished on my Mee Ka Tee, okay? You guys enjoy watching me cooking? Basically, I'm gonna eat later, not right now, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. See you a little bit.